Good day all you wonderful people, welcome to Adventure Together. My name's Al, Trail Name Lookout, and today we are starting with shoes that weigh 5 times as much as a normal pair of shoes. Just look at this malarkey that's going on the bottom of my feet. There are like an inch of wet sand stuck to the bottom of each foot. Look at that. That's not how things are supposed to be. Also, I wonder where my tent was last night. I think it's pretty hard to guess. What about you two? Where was your tent last night? I can't seem to find where it was.
It was there.
It was right there.
Yeah. You can see it.
Yeah. I can see it now you've pointed it out.
Yeah.
Otherwise it wasn't obvious. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is the plan for today? Well, the next few days all the way to Grants is apparently a straight dirt road. As I said yesterday, we're taking a brown line that's going to take us around a fire closure. Then we're going to join a blue line that's going to take us to Grants without the massive road walk. I don't know whether that's going to be dirt road as well. It might be trail, hopefully. Just don't know what's up ahead for sure. But what I do know is that all of today is just like yesterday and the day before and the day before that and the day before that. It is dirt road walking. And the nearest decent water is a farm windmill that is 25 miles from where we camped. Now that would normally be alright, but one member of the group unfortunately is suffering from Achilles tendonitis, I believe, and that is Achilles himself. So we're hoping that he feels good, he feels healthy, he feels strong, and he doesn't feel any pain, and we can make it to the windmill. But just in case, we packed out full water bottles from the last stop at the TLC ranch, which means that I'm carrying 4.5 litres of water. Actually, that's a lie because I just drank 1 litre this morning, so 3.5 litres of water, and that's a lot of extra weight to carry. But if we do have to dry camp today and we don't make it to the water source at 25 miles and we stop after 22, 23, at least I'll have the water to cook with and enough to drink for the rest of the day. But that's where we're at. Another long, dusty road walk. Two hours in and the team have collapsed under sheer exhaustion. Or maybe it's time for a snack break. We came from there, and you would think that we're going that way. Wrong! We're going this way. So we found shade. And it's getting to that point in the day where we are going to have lunch. Cold soaked couscous with peanuts, olive oil and seasoning. Lovely jubbly. I would prefer to put some Thai chili oil in there, that'd be nice. But no heat in this, so just cool. What have you got going on, Highway?
Got some dry noodles with like a soy sauce and tuna.
Taste of the sea.
That's right.
The shady lunch spot became a very popular shady lunch spot.
Are you going to hang out in Grants for a little bit, or are you going to go right home?
leaving lunch and on to the next step. We're no longer on a dirt road, we're on a sandy track. It's like that bit of sand that you have to navigate on your way back to the car when you've been to the beach. Your feet are just digging in a few inches and you feel you're only travelling at 1/3 speed. This is a abandoned shack. Looks like it fits in with the landscape, to be honest. Some interesting boulders and rock formations up there as well. I'm going to have a look around your house. Ooh.
Look, you gotta do like a MTV, welcome to my crib, you know? 1977. Hey, what's up, bud? Check it out. Oh, sick. Yeah. MTV, welcome to my crib. This is old house, mile 3.8, Cebuya alternate. Now, if you come on in, we've got the kitchen. It's wonderful. We have a table. This is where we cook all our delicious, fine, foreign foods. Follow me this way. We got the bedroom. It's popping. It's absolutely popping in here. We got the bed. You can't go wrong with it. Steel netting. It's amazing. Looking over here, we got a back door with a screen. Stops the bugs. There's no bug issues in here at all. It's amazing. You know, and in this little corner here, we have a lot of room where you can hang out, do, you know, use substances.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we've got to the solar windmill that we said that we were going to get to camp and get water, and so far it's not been good. It's been raining for a couple of hours. The sand has turned into a thick clay that sticks to everything and makes it very, very hard to walk. My shoes feel so much heavier because I've got this layer of clay stuck to them. There is no good place to camp. There's no camping signs all around the water source, and the one copse of trees over in the distance that I've been to doesn't look too kind as far as camping spots go, and it was a struggle to get there, to be honest. It really took a lot of effort to wade through the clay mud. It's very bumpy, very sticky, so that's where we're at. Bumpy, sticky, clay, humid, raining, thunder, lightning, very, very frightening me. So, what's the crack here?
Pipe's flowing a little bit.
Ooh,
A little bit.
little bit. Well, we found a magic tree, and under the magic tree is decent sandy soil that's not thick, nasty clay. So we've got a rowdy rabble of hikers all setting up in a circle like we are worshipping said tree. And there's me. Doesn't look too pretty on the horizon though. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the interior of the Castillo Verde, and it's been a hot, cold, rainy, windy, muddy day. A lot of dirt road walking, a lot of walking on sand, a lot of walking on mud, a lot of walking through clay, and a very funky way of collecting our water today. So I think that's it.
I've had dinner. I've tried to sweep out this tent 500 times, but every time I open the door to get rid of all the sand and dirt, more blows in. So I think I'm just going to get my head down and get some sleep. So that's everything I have for you today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.